this one is the ladybug.
Ladybug, ladybug, ladybug. Ladybug, ladybug, ladybug.
Oh, this one is a horse.
And the filly went on a walk one day, but the horse was so in love, he told her that he loved.
Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video, and here is many colorful of animal and toys. So let's go for collecting. Here is the first one is here. This one is a blue color. Hey.
Amazing!
And there is the green color. Oh ho, I collecting. And this one is so nice and beautiful yellow color. There is the another one. Oh ho.
Amazing!
This one is a orange. And there is the another green color. Oh, this one is a pink color. Hey. And there is the another blue color. There is the another. Hey. This one is a very nice color, yellow. And this one is a blue. Oh ho. There is the another orange color. I collecting. There is the another pink color. Hey. Here is the orange one. This one is so nice and beautiful green. And there is the last one is a yellow color. So guys, here is all of animals collecting in my bucket. So let's go for cleaning. So guys, here is my cleaning water, and there is my all of animals. So that is the first one I cleaning. Hey. Oh, this one is the lizard. Collecting this lizard here, and there is the next one. Oh ho. Oh, this one is a rooster. Collecting this rooster here, and that is the next one. Oh ho. This one is a scorpion.
Well, for your information, I'm a scorpion. Try not to get in my way here. Not that I will hurt you. Only very few of us are dangerous.
I'm collecting this scorpion here. There is the another one. Oh ho. Oh, this one is a cow. I'm collecting this cow here. And here is the another one. Oh, this one is the ladybug.
Ladybug, ladybug, ladybug. Ladybug, ladybug, ladybug.
I'm collecting this ladybug here. And that is it. Next one. Oh ho. This one is a horse.
And the filly went on a walk one day, but the horse was so in love, he told her that he loved her. The filly was.
I'm collecting this horse here. Next one. Oh, this one is a talking Tom. talking Tom here. There is another one. Oh ho ho! This one is so nice and beautiful. Hulk.
Amazing!
Collecting this Hulk here also. And there is another one. Oh ho! This one is a duck. I'm collecting this duck here. Also, next one. Oh, this one is another dog.
Amazing!
Collecting this duck here. Next one. Oh, this one is a gorilla. Collecting this gorilla here. Next one. Oh, this one is a bee.
Well, hurry up. What were you doing?
We were tasting some honey.
Come forward.
Hello, Madam the Queen.
Collecting this bee here. And that is the next one. Oh ho ho, this is a penguin.
Wake up now, come and play. Rise and shine, it's a brand new day. Wake up now, come and play. Rise and shine.
Collecting this penguin here. And that is the last one. Oh ho ho, this one is a goat.
Amazing!
I'm collecting this goat here. So guys, here is all of animal collecting outside, and see you soon with next time.